Dear students, you are welcome to my online class. Today we shall do a class on the chapter on question number 1 and 2. You know, question number 1 is gap filling activities, also the question number 2 is gap filling activities. So we shall discuss about the rules of gap filling activities. Okay, you know, in the gap filling activities, preposition, article, preposition and parts of speech are important. You know what is parts of speech? Parts of speech means different kinds of words are called parts of speech, and there are 8 kinds of parts of speech. You know, they are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. And also you know what is noun. Noun, you know, a noun is the name of anything, and noun are classified into 5 categories. They are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. So today we shall discuss about position of noun. Here you see I have already said some rules on the blackboard for my convenience to discuss the things. Okay, so we shall know how to use a noun in the gaps. Okay, so the topic is position of noun. Rule 1, you see, generally the subject and object of a sentence is noun. This is a general rule. You know, the subject and object of a sentence is generally a noun. Here I have given some examples. You see, it brings dash to a few but causes harm to many. It brings dash to a few. It brings dash to a few but causes harm to many. It brings prosperity to a few. Here it will be prosperity. Here it will be prosperity. Prosperity is a noun. You see, it is subject, bring is verb, and so in the gap the word will be noun. So it will be, according to context, it will be prosperity. It brings prosperity to a few but causes harm to many. Another example, in the field of medical science, dash has got eyes, lame has got legs, deaf has got hearing power. So according to context, you see, in the field of medical science, dash has got eyes. Here it will be subject. So as subject it will be a noun. So here the noun will be, the suitable noun will be blind. It will be blind. You see, blind has got eyes, lame has got legs, deaf has got hearing power. So according to context, in the gap the word will be blind. Okay, so I think you have understood rule 1. When you use subject and object of a sentence in the gap, then it will be noun. Okay, rule number 2. After an adjective, generally noun is used. Again, after adjective, generally noun is used. Here you see the example. The example, traveling has a great on our minds. Traveling has a great, you see, traveling is noun, subject, has verb, great is adjective. Here great is adjective. So after adjective there will be a noun. In the gap there will be a noun. So it will be, traveling has a great influence. According to context, influence. According to context, it will be influence. Has a great influence on our minds. You see again, traveling has a great influence on our minds. Here great is adjective. So after adjective it will be noun. Okay. Then another example, natural dash are stones, trees and water. Natural what? It will be also a noun. So according to context, natural we can here we can use objects. We can give objects, natural objects, and natural objects are stones, trees, and water, because these are the elements of environment. These are objects. So we can see, we can use natural objects. Natural is adjective. So after adjective it will be noun. So it will be natural objects are stones, trees, and water according to context. Okay, I think you have understood the second rule, that is after adjective generally noun is used. Okay, now rule number 3. If there is only one word after adjective, that must be noun. Again, if there is only one word after adjective, that must be noun. So if you see only one word after adjective, that must be noun. Look at the example here. The example is they can fill their empty dash, and this is the you see after empty there is only one word, one gap. So it must be noun. So they can fill their empty stomach. We can use stomach according to context. We can use here stomach. So they can fill their empty. After empty we have to use noun. So it can be stomach. So they can fill their empty stomach. In this way we can use noun after adjective when there is only one word after adjective. Okay. Now rule 4. After article generally noun is used. After article, you know, a and the are article. So after article generally noun is used. Look at the example. A dash is not a real triumph unless both the sides are equally strong. You see, at first there is article. So after article there will be a noun. Here according to context we can use big T. A big T is not a real triumph unless both the sides are equally strong. So a big T. After article there will be a noun. Here it can be big T. So a big T is not a real triumph unless both the sides are equally strong. Okay, then rule number 5. This is the last rule of today's discussion. If there is only one word after articles, that must be noun. If you see there is only one word after article, then it must be noun. So follow the example. The example is, if he does not do so, he will be a dash. If he does not do so, he will be a after article a, there will be a noun. So it will be traitor. You can use it, traitor. Here you can use traitor. If he does not do so, he will be a traitor. We have used a noun in this gap because you see there is only one word after article. So if we see there is only one word after article, we have to use noun. In this way, dear students, today we have learned 5 rules. We have learned 5 rules about position of noun. So in this way, we have to use noun in the gap. These are all of my today's discussion. Okay, thank you all. Thank you.